Jordan, but you can call me Jura because I'm kind of getting used to it. Back to you. Well, the reason we are making this video is because I want to introduce myself to you and to tell you a little bit about me, like who I am and why am I here. So my origins comes from the not so far land of Bulgaria. I'm a 22-year-old human being, male, some kind of sapiens probably, I'm not sure. And I'm here as a volunteer for European values. Some things. Back in my country, okay, can you cut that? I'm here mostly for the free experience and the food, but not only. Back in my country, I'm considered as some kind of an artist. I have professional education in drama acting and very unprofessional practice in hip-hop dancing. During the summertime, I'm working as an entertainer in the big hotels of our filthy too expensive seaside. And I'm also writing what I believe is called literature. It's been published by some newspapers and stuff, but I rarely speak about it because, to be honest, I've never read it, so I don't have much of opinion of it. The reason I'm here is, honestly, I just liked the project, and apparently I've been accepted. So Mreži udruga needed a creative person, and I needed something challenging and something big to do. That's why I came for 1 year, a whole year. To do, we will see what I'm gonna do exactly. I don't know if you know what volunteering actually means. I didn't. You're lucky if you have someone to tell you about it, like Mreži udruga or some other organization, because we don't have those in Bulgaria. I mean, we have some organizations that are sending and receiving foreign volunteers, but nobody actually speaks about it, so people think it's like a human trafficking or something. But what volunteering actually is, it's to go somewhere, you choose where, most of the times. Your place to live there is arranged, you're getting taken care of by the organization, the European Union and all of these very kindly grandmothers of ours, just to do your things and do the stuff you like, or the stuff you're good at, or the stuff you want to be good at least. I mean, so yeah, actually, you're not even paying for the travel tickets, so you can just go like brand naked. Okay, cut that. So, as you can see, I'm here. I'm taken care of by the good organization of Mreži udruga and the good people working there. They're like my charity givers. They are actually taking care of me and arrange me a place to live, to come here, to see what it's like to live in a foreign land and eat foreign food, pick up foreign girls and stuff.
Actually, I'm the foreigner here, but never mind.
Yeah, I decided to leave the comfort zone of my couch at home, my friends, my family and stuff, and to come here, try to, I don't know, live a different life and see what it's like, and just to do my stuff. Actually, you can do it too. I know, it sounds too good to be real, I know. I mean, like a nice apartment for free, food for free, doing your stuff for free, meeting new people with the same interest as yours, growing your CV and stuff. There must be some catch, and there actually is a catch. The catch is that you can do this just once in a lifetime, and you gotta be under the age of 30. And that's also the reason why I gotta choose very carefully your project, because once you go, there is no turning back.
I mean, there is turning back, but if you turn back, you will kind of screw yourself up, because you will never have the chance to go again.
But you have the chance to go once, which could be totally enough. Yeah, if you play it right, it can help you for the rest of your life. So yeah, in a few words, that's why I'm here, to play it right, to help myself through the rest of my life. And yeah, pretty much that's it. If you wanna interact with me or something, you wanna talk, speak, just look at me like an alien as I was in the train or something. You know where to find me. Don't hesitate, don't be afraid. I don't have much to do anyway.